Rakesh Roshan here. I work as assistant professor at RGKT IIIT Bashar, Telangana. Welcome you all to this session on Mentimeter, a gaming assessment tool. So Mentimeter is a beautiful tool. There are a couple of other tools also: Kahoot, Quizzes, Quizalize, Quizlet. All of these fall under the category of gaming assessments. So basically, a gaming assessment is something like this. So if you do a normal formal assessment, student would feel that okay, the typical exam and all of that. So to avoid it, to just create more interest in the students and more enthusiasm, and more curiosity. Okay, so we have we can make the assessments look like fun. So Mentimeter is one such tool, by which we can have these interactive fun gaming assessments. So let's get started to understand this more. So for that, let me just first type Mentimeter in the Google. So the first one that comes out is Mentimeter interactive presentation software. So click on that. The first thing that you have to do is you have to sign up. Okay, you can sign up using your email ID. I've already signed up. So now let me just go to my presentations. Your presentations. It will show there. So now let me. So you can see the screen. So now the first thing that you have to do is go with a new presentation. So click on new presentation. Give a name. So let me write Mentimeter demo, something like that, and create presentation. And once you click on create presentation, it will take you to the presentation page. The assessment page rather. Now I use the term assessment page. So now you can add questions and give the answers and all of that. You can do that. So let me just show you one or two questions. You can do. You have a wide variety of questions. You have multiple choice, word cloud, open-ended, scales, ranking, select answer, type answer. So all these are available. So let me just show you one or two possibly, and let me click on this first. Multiple choice, and how many options you want to put, you can put. Let me just give question first. So let me just say OBS is an example of DAS tool. Okay. Let me give the option. So LMS. Let me say whiteboard, and let me say recording. So now we know that the answer is recording. So question is over. You're given the options. You can add more options if you want to add more than one option. You can just click on add. You want to remove some option, you can click on remove. Okay, like that you can remove these also. If you want to add some pictures in your question, you can add this next to this. You can this icon next to the question, or in the answers also. If you want to include some pictures, you can do that, images. So now result. Result. Now you can see it's like a bar. Result layout is a bar layout. Now you can make it donut. You can make it a pie. So your results will be shown like this. You're displayed like this when the students play. Now I'm okay with this. So what's the correct answer? Now click on at the bottom. You have extra show correct answer, show results in percentage. Let me click on show correct answer, and you have to give the correct answer. So correct answer is the recording. So and now here when you start playing, you can see the number of participants that have entered your game. So I'll just show you when I show you the how the game is played. But right now let's see how do we do the questions. So the results can be like the numbers. So 10 students have participated, so 5 have opted for LMS, 2 have opted for whiteboard, 3 have opted for recording. It will show 5, 3, 2. Or you want it in percentage, you can click on this. So it will show percentage. Okay, so I'm okay with this right now. And yeah, first question is over. Now once again go to add slide, go to the next question. You can choose anything. Let me just show you one more thing. So type answer. So let's give question. So Mindomo is a dash tool. Okay, so the answer is mind map. Okay, you can also add, they may give all in caps, so you can add this as other correct answers, or you can simply say this. Okay, so it all depends on what you want to put. And you also have another option of time to answer. You can also time the question. So let me just put 20 seconds here, and there's one more option here: faster correct answers get more points. So click on that. So what it means is it's like fastest finger first. Okay, so so students, when they play the game, so the one who answers it quicker and move with more accuracy, when they gives the correct answer, he'll get more points. So yeah, I'm sorry, this is a is. Okay, yeah, Mindomo is a dash tool. Right. So yes. So now, and you can see at the end of 2 questions, there is I put one leaderboard. So leaderboard has come. So click on the leaderboard. So what it means is, it will show who is standing where. I mean, depending on the performance of the students, it will show you out of all the 50 players or something. So basically, 500 players can play it once. Okay, Mentimeter, 500 players, free version, 500 players at best can play the game at once. Okay. So let's go back to this. So 2 questions I have added and one more leaderboard. Let me add one more just for our understanding. Let me choose select answer. So let me just give one question. So Jamboard is a dash tool. So LMS, excuse, CMS. Give some options. I mean, your question, your answer, right? Yeah. Whiteboard. So once again, fastest fingers first. If you want to put, you can just put that. Give the time. So and give the correct answer. So the correct answer is whiteboard. Okay. And the one more thing here is you can see music. Okay, you can also choose a quiz music. So click on this. You can select any of the musics that you wish. So in the background, you'll have a music when your students start playing this Mentimeter quiz. So once again, you can see three questions I have given. So at the end of this question also, if you have a leaderboard, if you do not want to have a leaderboard here, just click on delete slide and that's it. So if you want to duplicate a slide, you can see duplicate slide, and if you want to copy the slide to another presentation, you can do that on the left side. Okay, you can do it. If you want to delete it, the third option here you can use. And so now how do your students play the quiz? So how do you give the link to play the quiz? There are 2 ways of doing it. Number one, you give this. So you tell the students to go to www.menti.com and use the code 71 whatever is displayed here. Okay, not this code. So whenever you make a quiz, whatever code is displayed, you give them the code once they join. I mean, once you are ready with the set of questions. And this is one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is click on share. And you can see there's a voting link here. You just copy the link and share this link to the students. So once you have shared this link to the students, or once you have told them to go to this www.menti.com and give them this code, now what you have to do is you have to start presenting it. So let me just click on present and just show you, how does it look like. So when I click on present, the quiz will not have a winner. Okay, because see, at the end of it, I didn't put a leaderboard. So what he's saying is, at the end of it, you don't have a leaderboard, so the winner won't be declared. I'll add a leaderboard, no problem. So now the leaderboard is added. So let me just present it. So now you can see here, it's saying waiting for players. So now you would have shared your link with the students, or you would have asked them to go to www.menti.com and use this code. So once they join, you can start the test. So you can start enter, and then you can move to the next questions using this. Okay, here you can see the slides. Next question, and all of that. So let me just exit it right now. So I'll just show you how do we play the test also. And I also want to show you that the results are downloadable. I'll just show you for the previous one what we have done. I'll just show you a previous quiz, Mentimeter, which we have played in one of the FDPs. So yeah, you can see here, download results. So you can download the results, and he'll also actually mail you the results. Okay, so that's also feasible. So as you can see, you can download the results. Only one more thing that we need to know is, so like right now there are 9 questions here. Leaderboard also will consider it as a question. So for a free version, you can only put 10 questions. You cannot put more than 10 questions. But believe me, it's fun. It's really fun. Students would love, Mentimeter. So please explore this. It's a very good tool. So now I'll just show you, how do we play this Mentimeter, and how the students would start playing, and then how the leaderboard would come, and how the game would progress. Okay, yeah. Please try it. If you try it, then only you will get to know how your students will feel. How does it look like? Just 5 questions only. Don't worry about the results. This has nothing to do with certificate, nothing to do with feedback, nothing. I just want you to see how does it look like. Please join quickly. www.menti.com. Enter that code, whatever is being seen on the screen. 1 more minute, I'm going to start the test. Quickly, please join quickly. Half minute more. At least 100 participants should be there. Right, okay. So let me start the test. Let me start off the test. Now you take the test, okay? Start taking the test, all of you. Read the question and then answer. Read the question, answer it quickly. These are 15 seconds. I can see, you can see, you know how many students have answered. 59, 60 students have answered this question. Time is up. So you can see the responses also. So you have given this. 73 of you have given the right answer. Let me go to the next question. This is like, now it will give you a leaderboard. Here I gave a common marking. So answer is correct. Give them 1000 marks. Next question, it is fastest to fingers first. Whoever answers is fast, he get more points. So next question onwards, it is fastest to fingers first. So try to answer it quickly. Let me go to the next question. Answer fast to get more points. Dash has a free limit of 40 minutes for free users. Answer it quickly. Quickest answer will get more points. So you will see the leaderboard. Who is first, who is second, who is third. You will get all that information. Time is up. So what are the results? All these answers have come. The correct answer is Zoom. Next one. Now, sorry, leaderboard. Look at the leaderboard now. Let us see who is. Reshma Singh Ji is now fastest. Let's see who will overtake Reshma Singh Ji now. Next question. Answer fast to get more points. Mindomo is an example of CMS, recorder, mind maps. Time is up. So what is the answer? Mind maps, 79. Very good. Next, so let's see the leaderboard. Whether someone has overtaken Baker Singh or not. So currently, Shabeta ji is topping the board. Don't worry, it is just for our understanding. Okay. Next question. The following is an example of interactive whiteboard. Okay, I think all of you have answered. Next question. OBS is utilized for fastest fingers first once again. Time is up. Can do both. Oh yeah, it can do recording as well as streaming, right? Okay, great. So let's see the leaderboard now. Oh, Suresh Ji is finally the test is ended. So Suresh R Ji is the topper of the test. Congratulations.